Hello, good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to explain a mechanical maintenance process in a vehicle. My topic is engine oil change. Engine oil is very important because it lubricates the engine component, reduce friction, and help cool the engine. Regular oil changes can improve engine performance and extend engine regularly. Components and tools needed. Before we beginning, let me explain the component and tools needed. The components are engine oil filter, and drain plug gasket. Okay, the tools are socket wrench, oil filter wrench, oil drain pan, funnel, cleaning cloths or rag, and gloves. Okay, the process. First, park the vehicle on the flat surface and turn off the engine. Then, wait a 5 minutes for engine to cool down. Next, place the oil drain pan under the oil drain plug. After that, ask a socket wrench to remove the drain plug and let the oil flow into the pan. Then remove oil filter and oil filter wrench. Next, install a new oil filter and tighten in properly. After that, reinstall and drain plug securely. Then pour the new oil into the engine using a funnel. Final, start the engine for 5 minutes and check for any oil leak. The oil change process is now complete. Regular maintenance. Now I will explain the regular maintenance. The engine oil shall be checked and regularly. The oil level must remain between the minimum and maximum max on the dipstick. The oil and oil filter shall be replaced according to the manufacturer's recommendation, usually every 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers. It is also important to check for oil leaks and keep the engine clean. Regular maintenance help can maintain and performance and prevent serious damage. And in conclusion, engine oil change is a important maintenance process for every vehicle. By using the current tools, following the proper step, and performing regular maintenance, we can keep the engine good condition and extend its service life. Okay, thank you for your attention and have a nice day. Bye bye.